Alright, hang snatch from above the knee plus hang snatch from the hip position. Keep in mind we can isolate either of those two and just do, one or multiple reps of that same exercise, or we can flip them and do hip snatch first plus snatch from above the knee. What I'm looking for from that specific position above the knee, keep in mind that the bar, I want the bar to set right there above the kneecap, so not an inch below, not an inch up, because we need that specific transition point meaning into the leg drive into the rest of the lift. So we're trying to mimic that specific position that you're going to create, that perfect position that you would create coming from the floor up to above the knee within the lift. Okay? What that needs to be is that all-important vertical shin above the knees. I need to see those vertical shins above the knees, tight back, shoulders out over the bar. Okay? Movement from this position up, most common flaw here is the knees coming forward too much too soon, or the whole body shifting forward too much too soon. And you can feel that on your foot. So what I want you to do is exaggerate towards your heel, because you're slightly towards your heel in this position. Just try to stay back there. Try to keep those knees back. As you extend, everything else will happen automatically. And again, that's why I always tell people to mimic the movement of the Romanian deadlift down. And if I do a Romanian deadlift and stand up, my knees just kind of stay there. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for there. Beyond that, just I want to see that full extension, that vertical jump feel in the chest, or whatever other cue you need to use to reach, to open those hips up all the way and reach that full extension. From the hip position, slightly bend, hang over the bar, right? Both of those are going to be so slight that ideally the bar doesn't leave this position at all. It doesn't slide down the leg any at all. Now we're really isolating the extension portion of the lift here, so make sure again that you're really exaggerating that. Feel that chest full up top on that extension, fully extend. And then also we're going to worry about the timing of the catch here. Make sure you're not shooting straight to the bottom within this movement, but you're meeting that bar with upward pressure a little bit, anything higher than rock bottom, and riding it down. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Also make sure that you pause and hold in each position before you take off.